I'm Mikael Phillips, Vice President of the People's National Party, spokesperson on transport and works. I want to see a better Jamaica, where every Jamaican can benefit from a world-class transport system. A better Jamaica, where those in rural Jamaica can have the benefit of those in the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region. A better transport system where we see light rail leaving Portmore and Spanish Town coming into downtown Kingston. A better transport system for the people of Montego Bay and the wider rural Jamaica. I want to see a better Jamaica, where we have roads that are pothole free. A better road network where we see regular bushing, regular patching. I want to see where we have a maintenance fund, a road maintenance fund, that we can have a pothole free roadway for all road users. But I also want to see a Christmas where we have no road fatalities. So I ask all Jamaicans to use our roadways safe so that we have a peaceful and joyful Christmas. A Merry Christmas to you all.